Are you self-employed and afraid to apply for a mortgage because you don't think you'll qualify? Well, I'm Maureen Mahood, and I'm with Sell Your Home Charlotte, and I'm here with Chris Day from Revolution Mortgage, and we're going to talk about how we can get self-employed people qualified every day.
Absolutely. Well, that's a common problem that a lot of people who have that are self-employed. They're just not sure what they can qualify for because they write so many things off. And that's when you need to get a mortgage professional in, especially somebody who specializes in working with self-employed business owners. Because even though you might write a bunch of stuff off, there's an ability for us to bring things back to you or credit back towards your income to be able to do it. But just because you made $1 million a year doesn't mean that you actually showed that you made $1 million a year. So there's other challenges in the flip side of it where people don't quite catch that. So
a lot of self-employed people want to know, like, do I have to own my business for a year, 2 years? Can I do it in like 6 months, or how does that work?
Well, there are programs out there for borrowers who have only been in business for 1 year. Those are a little bit harder to get. You do have to put 20% down, and the bank statements will have to show that they use different expense factors. So it's not that it's not available. I just closed one just a week ago where the customer was only in business for 1.5 years. We used his business bank statements and they bought $1.5 million house.
That's awesome.
So it's not like it's not available to be able to do that, but we just have to prove that you've been doing that kind of business for a long time. In this situation, the borrower worked for the company, then bought it from the owner. So I was able to get a special circumstance behind that to be able to get that done.
That's awesome.
Other programs that are available to self-employed business owners. We do have programs where you can get a bank statement loan, where we go off your bank statements for the past 12 or 24 months, depending on the program. There's also other opportunities through P&L loans that we're finding as well, to where we could just use your P&L for the last 1 year to 2 years to be able to help you qualify, to be able to get you into a home. So it doesn't just pigeonhole you to the conventional ways of getting a loan, to where, the conventional ways, the down payment can be as little as 5%, and the interest rates are a little bit better. However, we do have programs where you may have to put 10 or 20% down, but you can still get into the home that you want to be able to purchase.
So if you are self-employed, 1099, you work for yourself, don't be afraid. Let's see what you qualify for. There are lots of products out there that are non-conventional. You can give myself a call or Chris a call. I'm Maureen Mahood with Sell Your Home Charlotte.
And I'm Chris Day with Revolution Mortgage.
And I hope, just so you know, we're here at one of the most popular little deli, bodega type places in Charlotte called Common Market on Monroe Road. And they've got sandwiches and coffee, and they have beer and wine, and you can come here and sit out on their little patio. They have this awesome mural. So Charlotte's a great place to be. All right, Charlotte, have a great day. Bye.